Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use freehand drawing tool using Nitro Pro PDF file. This is a video and I will add here freehand drawing. Now set this review option and this drawing option, click on the down arrow. This is pencil drawing. Click here. Now draw the PDF file. You can insert a digital signature and see this drawing. Now select select option and select text and graphics. Click on this and select properties option. Here you can change border thickness, border color, and its border opacity. You can increase, decrease this opacities. Again, go review option, and this is pencil design. You can remove unnecessary drawing. Here you can remove pages, and again you can do the new drawing. See this, and similarly you can edit cells color and thickness. It's opposite you can sense. So, and finally check this file option, save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comments.